Significant snow on Saturday. Your forecast is next.
Now, Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland featuring the 3-degree guarantee, sponsored by your Wisconsin Chevy Super Dealers.
So much colder weather is now pouring in from the north. We still have 33 degrees in Sheboygan, but it's already down to 12 degrees in Antigo. And those temperatures that are in the teens are headed south. Right now in Appleton, it is 27 degrees. Winds are gusting up to nearly 45 miles per hour. In Green Bay, it is 23, and yes, winds are still gusting 50 to 55 miles per hour, and that gusty wind is making it feel much colder. The wind chill has dropped to 0 in Clintonville, and it already feels like 4 degrees below 0 in Penbine. And those winds were quite strong today. I showed you a list earlier. The peak wind gust, 58 miles per hour in Oshkosh. When we have a wind gust that strong during the summer in a thunderstorm, it becomes a severe thunderstorm. So definitely the threat for some damage across northeast Wisconsin today with those very gusty winds, thanks to a strong area of low pressure passing to the north of Lake Superior. The cold front has now moved through, and behind it, much colder air is pouring south. Temperatures this afternoon across northwestern Wisconsin and Minnesota only in the single digits and teens. And that cold air continues to move into Wisconsin overnight on strong gusty winds. Although once we get to around 9 o'clock or so, the winds will really start to die off as we head towards tomorrow morning, but still strong enough to keep wind chills in the single digits and teens below 0 as you head out the door tomorrow morning. Lots of sunshine throughout the morning and afternoon, and then the clouds will start to increase as our next weather maker moves in from the west. High temperatures will be in the lower 20s. Speaking of our next weather maker, the National Weather Service has issued winter storm watches from South Dakota right through central and eastern Wisconsin for Saturday. Skycast shows the snow starting Saturday morning. The snow will continue pretty much all day long, and it could fall heavily at times. Here's a look at the very latest computer forecast models. They have all come down fairly significantly from what they were showing last night, yesterday, or the day before, but most of them are currently in about that 3 to 6 inch range across the Fox Valley. Still some questions about where exactly this storm is going to track and how much we're going to get, but this is the general idea right now. I'm thinking probably about 3 to 6 inches for most of the viewing area, although locally higher amounts in excess of 6 inches are certainly possible, and I will update the forecast tomorrow when the storm is knocking on the door. All right, windy and colder tonight, lows in the single digits, wind chills dropping well below 0. Tomorrow, mostly sunny and quiet. The winds will be much, much lighter. My 3-degree guarantee is 22. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to Child Care Resource and Referral. And we did not do that today. I forecast 30. The temperature jumped all the way up to 35 out ahead of that cold front. Snow heavy at times on Saturday. Maybe a lingering snow shower Sunday, and then cold weather as we head through next week with a couple more chances for some snow.